Hello. Hey, have you ever wondered how to calculate the summation of the digits present in some given number? Let's say you have number 512 and you want to calculate the summation, that is 5 plus 1 plus 2, which is equals to 8. Let's see how to do that. Okay, so let's take the number that is 512. Divide this 512 by 10. The magic of dividing any number by 10 is that it gives you the last digit as a reminder. When you divide 512 by 10, then it will give you 2 as a reminder, and the division will be 51. That is the remaining part of your number. Then do the same thing on 51 that you have received as a division in the earlier calculation. You'll get 1 as a reminder, and then 5 will be division. Again do the same thing. At the end you will see reminders of all these 3 divisions will be 2, 1 and 5. So it gave you all the digits separately in the reminders, and when you add all these, then you get the summation of all the digits present in your number, that is 8. Got it? Okay, now remember, the key of this whole exercise is that you divide your number by 10 just to get the last digit every time, and you keep reducing the number. Okay, for getting reminder, the operator that we have in the C is modulus. So we'll make use of the modulus operator and the integer division operator. So let's see the program how we can do this in C. So now I have one blank program in front of me which already has main function added. I'll declare one variable that is number, and will store our number to it, that is 512. Then what I need to do is I need to store modulus, so I'll declare one more variable called modulus. Let's declare that too with 0, though it's not needed to initiate. Then one variable which will keep adding our summations. We need to iterate through a loop. I'll take while loop. I need to iterate how long? As long as our number is greater than 0, because at the end it will be 5 and then 0, nothing will remain. The key what we saw was to get the remainder with the help of division, dividing by 5. So what I'll do is I'll say modulus equals to number mod 10. This will give us a reminder, and then I'll just add this sum equals to sum plus the modulus. With this what we'll get is we'll get every time the last digit with the help of modulus, and we'll keep adding it to the variable called sum. Now we need to divide it by 10 so that our number will start reducing from the right, and to do that I'll just make number equals to number divide by 10. Yuppie, this is the logic. Hush. And now I'll print the sum of all digits is %d, and %d, wait, what I need to pass here, sum. Done. Okay, let's try to execute this, whether it really gives the correct thing. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Oh, it has given us 8. Isn't it great? Okay, we can now expand the program by fetching this value from the user with the help of scanf, but I don't really feel you keep on doing it your own. Let's consider it as an exercise. Okay, let's revise the program. What we actually did, we took one integer, that is 512. What we did is we divided that integer or that number by 10, and whatever the remainder comes, with the help of modulus operator, we stored it in mod, one variable called modulus. Then we created one variable for storing sum. We kept on adding sum. In the first iteration, this sum will be 0, so modulus, whatever the value we get, that definitely will get value 2. This value we will store here in the modulus, and it will get added to 0. 0 plus 2 equals to 2. Next time it will be 1, so it will be 2 plus 1, and this way 3 times it will just keep adding it. Now the second key is that we need to reduce this number also, because if you want remainder, then we have seen in the earlier illustration where we divided the number, and the remaining number, excluding the remainder, we kept on dividing again. So here we did it. Okay, one more thing I'd like to introduce. There is a beauty of C. What you can do is, when you have the same operand to be operated with some distinct operand, what you can do is you can use % here and just remove this all. Isn't it sweet? And then I was doing plus, okay, and then this. You don't really need to do this. It is just some beauty where, or it is just a feature of C which you can use, and you can just shorten your program. You definitely, if you don't like it, don't use it. It doesn't harm your logic. God, please give me ooh, I did something wrong. I did something wrong. This is number pattern and modulus. I guess it doesn't work with modulus. Oh, you know what wrong thing I did? I should have put, it was a number here, and I definitely did wrong here. Yep. Okay, do the mistakes, but do them for first time. Don't repeat your mistakes. That is called as a dry principle. Do not repeat yourself. What mistake I did was, this operator was supposed to be used only if I have this sum to be used on the right hand side also, and again same thing with the number. But what I missed was, I did it for this and I completely missed the boat, because on right hand side I did not have modulus, I had number. So did you understand where to use it this way and where not? I hope you did. Always learn from others' mistakes. Thank you. In the next video we'll see something else, something better, something more interesting. Till then, Goodbye, take care. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, then please subscribe the channel. Take care.